What's up, guys? So I show up to this place. You guys are gonna laugh. You're gonna laugh, I'm telling you, you're gonna laugh. Stick around, all right? So I show up to this place. There's a big gate on the property. Person booked online. First of all, it was a property management that booked me, didn't let me know. And therefore, when I showed up, nobody was here. So who's going to be responsible for payment? Oh, well, you just email us the invoice and we'll get it out to you, right? So I like to know that before I actually book a job. That way I know, the terms of payment. But I'm fine with that. That's fine, okay? So there's a couple houses on this property. Actually, it just looks like one big yellow house. And then a barn. All right, from back there, it looks like a barn, correct, guys? So I'm on the phone with the property management and said that there should be a lock box on the door. I said, yeah, there is no lock box on the door because I went to the yellow house. Yeah, it gets funnier, guys. So I walked up to the door and I looked all around, and customer says, well, I don't know, try the door. So I tried the door, it's unlocked. All right, so the customer had booked a living room and 2 bedrooms. First thing I noticed when I walked in was the living room was hardwood floors. Walked around. There was a bedroom, yeah, it was carpeted, and there was another kind of odd-shaped bedroom, was carpeted. So I called the customer back right away. I said, hey, didn't notice any carpet in the living room. And also, this place is fully furnished. Yeah, you see what I mean, guys? Funny. Oh no, it shouldn't be a fully furnished. This is we're just getting ready for the new tenant. So I literally walked in somebody's home and totally feel like the complete, I don't know, it's not my fault, right? And the thing that gets me is the property manager to act like, oh yeah, it should be obvious. It should be obvious that the main house, and then anyway. So I finally got into this house, finally. After having difficulties with the lockbox too. Well, I got in the house, I'm pretty sprayed. I did a full vacuum. It looked like I did walk around with the light and check for pet problem. Didn't see any, but it smelled dander, it just smelled, I don't know, musty. And it looked like it'd been vacuumed, but I feel I couldn't find anything as far as illumination, urine and stuff like that. It smelled musty. I did another vacuum on it, and I'm glad I did because you could hear a lot coming up. So they made a vacuum, but they didn't have a great vacuum. All right, so turn this off. It's noisy when you run out. So I went ahead and I had my carpet details prepped on here already put together. And when I got here, I just, I boosted with this hot wall, right? It doesn't need it probably, but basically as far as the cleanliness, but for the smell, because I'm not charging them for a pet treatment, these wall has a good, nice orange smell. Kind of strong when you first lay it down, but once you rinse it all out, it's nice and mild, it smells good. So that should help with the deodorizer, okay? So everything's pre-sprayed. I'm gonna go ahead and agitate where needed on these traffic areas here and get to extraction. I just did a video yesterday talking about agitating machine, scrubbing machines, Talked a little bit about the Shark here and about my other machines and what I recommend, and what I like, actually what I prefer. I didn't even recommend anything, I just tell you what I prefer. I also said I'd take this machine out yesterday. I was gonna put my power flight back in there. And forgot to this morning, so still have the shark. Yeah, you know, it works fine. I just don't like how small it is. Should have got the 14 inch. So what I'm doing here is just scrubbing the dark areas. The pre-spray will be plenty for everywhere else. So traffic areas like this. Regardless, when I'm done cleaning this, still gonna have dark areas in those traffic areas. Okay. Polyester. Oh, take it off on me. Oh, man, I'm reckless with this thing right now. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna scrub the rest of these traffic areas, get to extraction. Okay, so you know I was talking about wear patterns, and you can see them, right? And you can see here, not much of a difference, but a difference, right? So that's clean with wear patterns, worn fiber, and this is dirty with worn fiber, okay? That's polyester for you guys. So the quicker you learn that, if you're just starting out, that polyester is notorious for having traffic patterns in the carpet because of worn fiber, the lot less stressful your life will be. You know when to walk away and say that's all that can be done. Otherwise, you're going to be trying to clean these spots and areas over, using all your chemistry, going home frustrated and say, what are you doing wrong? And you're doing absolutely nothing wrong. It's the carpet. And I know because I've been through that. All right, guys, and just how I educated you on that, not that you needed it, all these people that watch my channel already know all this stuff, you know, but the most important thing is educate your customer before you start the job. Let them know those areas are worn fiber, this is polyester, it's notorious for that, so you might see shadow still. All right, so if they know that, if they acknowledge that, you know, before you start, then you're not going to be having to explain it to them when it's done. So yeah, educate your customer, and you know, they'll give you less of a headache. You know. So yeah, tell them to next time if they're a homeowner or something like that, buy nylon. Okay. No polyester. No. This is apartment stuff. It's cheaper, but it doesn't last as long. All right? I'm gonna finish this up. all done. Good as it's gonna get. Looks a lot better, smells a lot better, no more musty. Yeah, so that's it for this one. Guys, gonna wrap it up, head up to the next one. If you guys like this type of content, let me know. And for the guys that are just looking to get into the business, thinking about it, or actually just starting right now, buying equipment and stuff, you need to know how to clean carpet. So I have a course for that underneath all my videos. For the veterans that have trouble answering the phone, missing calls, don't have the money to hire a receptionist full time, I have an AI agent for you guys, a receptionist that through Green Rhino Digital Services, and that'll handle that for you. So link down there below, you can do a demo on it. All right, guys, see you next one. You know what I mean? Main house, barn, yeah.